In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transaction ID on Coinbase 2025. If you've ever needed to confirm a crypto transfer, contact support, or share proof of payment, the transaction ID, also called the TXID or transaction hash, is what you use. It's a unique code recorded on the blockchain that lets anyone verify the status and details of a transfer. Let's walk through how to find it quickly and correctly in the Coinbase mobile app. Start by opening your Coinbase app. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a moment to update so the interface and labels match what you expect. A stable internet connection helps the app load your most recent activity without delays. Next, log into your account. Use your usual sign-in method and complete any security prompts your account has enabled. Biometric unlock or two-factor authentication keeps your account safe, and you should never share your sign-in codes or recovery phrases with anyone. Once you're in, you'll land on your home or portfolio view. From here, go to your transaction history. Depending on your version of the app, this may appear as activity, recent, or a clock icon. You can also reach it from your portfolio by tapping into a specific asset and viewing its activity list. The goal is to see a chronological list of your buys, sells, sends, receives, and swaps. Choose the transaction you're interested in and tap it to open the details. You'll see the date, amount, network fees, and status such as pending, completed, or failed. Keep in mind that only on-chain transactions have a blockchain transaction ID. Internal transfers within Coinbase or certain instant conversions may not show a hash. If you're looking at a send or receive on a specific network like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another chain, you should see the blockchain details here. Now find the transaction hash and copy it. On different assets, this may be labeled TXID, hash, transaction ID, or view on Block Explorer. Tap the copy icon or long press the code to copy it to your clipboard. If the hash isn't visible yet, the transaction may still be broadcasting or confirming. Give it a little time and check back. Once copied, you can share the hash with a recipient, use it to check confirmations, or reference it when contacting support. Only share the hash, not your private keys, recovery phrases, or account credentials. That's it. Open the app, log in, go to your transaction history, pick the transaction, and copy the transaction hash. With this, you can verify and track your crypto transfers with confidence.